Hi guys, welcome back to Forex technical analysis for swing trading. Today is Tuesday, December 9th. Okay, as we all do, let's start with the USD index chart. And last few days were really interesting because the trend has reversed and the majority of the candles of the last directional leg is hanging out below the yellow moving average line, right? You see the majority of the candles are hanging out below the yellow moving average line, and last directional leg is down leg like this. So that means the overall trend has reversed. Right now the trend is down and USD is getting weak overall. So that means we're gonna look for opportunities to sell USD. So right now the market is expected to behave like down, retracement, expected to go down like this. So trend is down overall. Okay, let's write it down. USD index trend is down. Last several weeks trend were up. USD is getting stronger overall, right? Now the trend has reversed and USD is predicted to be weak in the future. So let's write it down. USD index trend is down and our decision is to look for opportunities to sell USD. Okay, USD Japan Yen. So here in the USD Japan Yen, overall trend is up. The majority of the market is hanging out above the yellow moving average line. So let's write it down. Here USD is getting stronger against the Japan Yen. So USD Japan Yen trend is up. Unfortunately, that conflict with the USD index chart. In the USD index chart, USD is getting weak overall, right? In the USD Japan Yen, USD is getting stronger against the Japan Yen. So since we have the conflicting stories, we will not force any trade. So that's why we're not gonna trade USD Japan Yen. Okay, USD Canada dollar. So here, last several weeks trend was up. USD is getting stronger overall, but last few days trend has reversed, and now the majority of the candles are hanging out below the yellow moving average line. So that means USD is getting weak against the Canada dollar, and market is expected to go down like down, retracement down. Market is expected to go down like this. So right now we have the really nice down leg like this, and if the market keeps retracing into 50 to 60% zone here, that would be a great opportunity to sell USD. Until that, we're gonna wait. Okay, let's write it down. USD Canada dollar trend is down. Leg height is nice. Our decision is to wait 50% retracement. Okay, USD Schweizer francs. So here, majority of the last directional leg is here down, and majority of the candles are hanging out below the yellow moving average line. Since the market has retraced, and market still retracing around the moving average. So right now market is at the 60% retracement zone here, and market should soon return into original trend and expect to go down like this. So right now I don't want to trade anything because tomorrow is Fed interest rate news. So I would like to wait until that, then start trading. So right now the USD Schweizer franc is a really good zone, but just for the safety, I don't want to trade right now because in the USD index chart, market hasn't even reached the 40% retracement. So market is expected to retrace like this more, So that means overall, most likely USD is gonna get stronger next few days. Then I would like to start trading USD. So right now in the USD Shifter Franc, don't trade. I know the USD Shifter Franc is a really good retracement zone around here, but do not trade. Wait few days, let the interest rate news pass. Then if the USD Shifter Franc is still in the good zone, then it's good to sell USD Shifter Franc. So if the overall trend is still down, this resistance level should hold. So until that, we're gonna wait. So USD Shifter Franc down, currently doing fake out at 60%. Retracement. Euro USD. So here, majority of the candles are hanging out above the yellow moving average line. So let's here. Majority of the candles are hanging out above the yellow moving average line. That means the overall trend has reversed into up. Last few weeks trend was down like this. Now the trend has reversed and market is going up, retracement, up, retracement, then it should return into uptrend like this. So wait, right now Euro USD hasn't reached into good retracement zone. Wait until 50 to 60% retracement zone here, then it will be perfect opportunities to buy Euro USD. Until that, it's better to wait. So Euro USD trend is up, leg size is nice. So previously I had the sell position risking about the 0.7% of my account, which hit the stop loss, which was the perfect execution of my trading system. Now I am positioning myself to sell USD. So my decision is to wait 50% retracement. Okay, Aussie. So here Aussie trend has reversed. Now trend is down because the majority of the candles are hanging out above the yellow moving average line. That means up leg. Market should soon start retracing. When the market retraces the 50 to 60% zone here, that would be a really great opportunities to buy Aussie. Until that, we're gonna wait good zone. So let's write it down. Aussie trend is up, leg size is nice. Aussie having uptrend means it matches with the USD index chart. USD is getting weak overall. That's why we are looking for opportunities to sell Euro USD. So wait 50% retracement. So New Zealand dollar USD, last several weeks you see the trend was down. USD was getting stronger against the New Zealand dollar. Now the trend has reversed and USD is getting weak against New Zealand dollar. So we have the really nice up leg. Now let the market retrace. When the market retraces about the 50 to 60% zone here, then it will be a great opportunity to buy New Zealand dollar USD. Until that, we're gonna wait. So New Zealand dollar USD trend is up, leg size is nice. Our decision is to wait 50% retracement. Okay guys, so what do we see? Last several weeks USD was getting stronger overall, but the last several days trend has reversed. That's why we took a loss on the Euro USD. which is fine because according to my trading system, I risked the 0.7%, which was the perfect execution on my side. Now I am positioning myself to sell USD, and tomorrow we have a really big USD Fed interest rate news, and I would like to let that news pass, then let the market retrace into good zone here. So right now Euro USD also looks best, also USD Schweizer franc looks good, and if those pairs are still in a good retracement zone after the Fed news tomorrow, then I would be happy to sell USD. So until that, it's better to wait, let the market retrace into good zone. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.